did. From a very early age, there was never anything else that I was going to do. So I kind of knew that it was very clear. I didn't always know that I was going to do medical oncology, but I was lucky enough to have some exposure when I was a junior doctor, and I really loved my time working at the Royal Brisbane. So that's sort of how I guess went down that physician training pathway, and then advanced training in medical oncology. So I've always been interested in GI cancer, I guess on a personal level, even before I started my medical oncology training. I'm very lucky to have been mentored by several excellent oncologists who are passionate about treating GI cancers, and I think this definitely also sparked my interest. So I guess over the course of my career, I've come to sort of appreciate how important scientific research is and collaboration, and I suppose particularly in our field in oncology, I really hope to be able to contribute meaningfully to the GI cancer research in future. I think a clinical research fellowship at the Marsden will sort of not only put me at the forefront of GI cancer research in Europe, but it will also be a solid sort of foundation for my future career. And I suppose the fellowship will also provide, that sort of essential platform for me to be able to share and collaborate with the AGITG here at home. And I also partly wanted to experience sort of living in a different country and working in a different healthcare system. I think we're very lucky here in Australia, but, working overseas will also hopefully broaden my clinical horizons, working and learning from different supervisors and mentors who are also international experts. So, an institution like the Marsden's got a very excellent reputation, and I've heard that the educational experience and lectures and training events and ESMO preceptorships and things is also very invaluable really for my career. And I think I mentioned as well, just working overseas and working with different people is the other sort of reason why what I was hoping to gain from, I guess, this experience. Well, I think at this stage I still have a fairly open mind. I'm particularly interested, I suppose, in neuroendocrine tumours, pancreatic cancer. I think, I guess one thing that I have sort of learned in the last sort of 2.5 years is that in the last 10 years or so, that compared with some of the other tumour types who have had similar, success with groundbreaking treatments and new therapies, particularly immunotherapy, hasn't really been that, I guess, huge developments in terms of survival for patients with GI cancers in particular. And it'd be really great to be involved with some of the, developing some of the novel therapies, sort of phase 1 trials, I think at the Marsden, if I get that opportunity. So I would just like to take this opportunity to thank Merck and also the AGITG for awarding this fellowship and for giving me this invaluable opportunity in this early stage of my career. Thank you.